Everyone, myself Pallavi Patil from Paramount Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In last video, we saw the practical number 2. In this is practical number 3, we will learn the prepare and the test the strength and cross UTP cables. Okay, so let's see what are the outcomes of this video to understand the straight and cross UTP cables. Let's see. आइडेंटिफाई करना है हम लोग को आइडेंटिफाई द नो द यूज ऑफ द स्ट्रेट एंड क्रॉस ओवर द केबल ओके एंड क्रिएट द स्ट्रेट केबल एंड क्रॉस केबल and program outcomes similar like a basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools and communication. And the practical skill is understand the straight and cross UDP cables, create the straight and cross UDP cables, and understand the straight and cross the UDP cables. Okay. The course outcome is the basic concept of the networking for the setting of the computer network. The next is a computer actually basically the computer network do not operate in isolate manner. So they either connected one another or the internet. For such a connection, we need a connecting device. Okay, so different layer of the internet model corresponding to different connecting device. Okay, so different cables and link we are using. The cables is a networking cable. Our networking hardware used to connect on the network device, other network device, or is connected to our more computer to and share the printer and scanner. Okay, so the types of cables is depending on the network physical layer. The topology and size, we can use the different types of networking. Okay, so cable is such as a twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber cables, different types of the cables. The many different technology are used for the network connection. So different cables technology are used and their different application of them. For example, twisted pair cable used for the electrical connection within a building, and optical fiber cable actually used for the long distance. Okay, is a high bandwidth or electrical isolate. Okay, different cables like a telephone cables is a used for the internet connection, power lines used for the something power line or for the networking. Okay, these are the cables. Okay, this is the concept of the hub and switch and PC. In between we are using the cables. Okay, and cables have the different colors. Okay, for example like suppose site A and site B. Okay, so site A, the different color orange white, orange green, green white blue, this different color are used in the cables, brown white. Okay, so cross over network cable means it is used to connect two device of the same type like a two computer or two switch to each other. Okay, so both the side A and side B of the cable have a wire arranged with a different color. Okay, these are used to when connecting data terminating equipment DTE or data terminating equipment DTE or data communication equipment to data communication. Okay, so equipment does it DCE. Okay, this is a diagram. The next, okay, now the next RJ45 connector use and cramming tool. These are the cramming tools tend to the cross or cables. Okay, so RJ45 cables. The RJ45 is a connector for the network cable, that is RJ45 connector, most common. Okay, so RJ45 is the standard types of the connector for the network cables. So RJ45 connector is a feature 8 pins रहते हैं. Okay, to which the wire state a cable interface electrically standard. So RJ45 pin is out of define a range of the individual wire need when attach the connector or cables. So cramming tools, these are the cramming tools. These tools is a design to cram or crimp or connect a connector to the end of cable. So network cables and phone cables are created using the crimping tools is connected RJ45 and RJ11 connector to the end of the cables. Okay, this is a 6 pin and RJ45 8 pin cramping tools. Okay, so straight to and cross cord cable and RJ45 pins out. The next is a crossover cable actually used basically when used connecting a computer to a computer. Okay, next connecting a router to router and connecting a switch to switch. Crossover cable are used to connecting computer and router and switch to switch. Okay, and connecting the hub to hub, connecting the router to PC because of both the devices have the same component. The next is strength through cable are used when the strength through cables is a connecting a router to other hub. Okay, and connecting the computer to the switch and connecting the LAN port to a switch or computer, connecting other dissimilar networking equipment. Okay, and this is a diagram of the set of the work situation. Okay, this is a figure. And next, this is the cables. They prepare the straight and cross cable. These are the cable we're using, different colors. Cut into the plastic shade 1 inch from the end the cut cable. The cramping tool has a razor blade that will do the trick and with it pair of the similar color. Okay, so pinch of the wires between the your finger and step them out. This is a diagram. This is a pictures stained cross cables. Okay, the wire color line up to from standard 5 cables. Use a make a stain across the wire 1.2 inch from the cut sleeve and end of the wire. Push in the wire into the connector. Okay, so view the top. All the wires are the way in a therefore they are short wire. The camping the cables carefully the place the connector into the Ethernet clamper and cinch down on the handle tightly. Okay, so the copper slitching tape on the connector will be into the each of the 8 wires. This is the pictures of the wires. Okay, different connector you use. This is a practical number 3. Okay, in this practical we will learn the understand the strength cross UTP cables and strength and cross UTP cables. Okay, and create the strength and cross UTP cables connector. Okay, and identify the strength and use of the strength and cross cables. Okay, any doubt regarding this practical we will discuss in a lecture. Okay, and next video we will learn the practical number 4. Thank you, student.